Hi everyone, it's Dagi from Hot Paw Vlog. I had a great idea today and it was about the litter here inside. And I went to a sawmill and asked if I can have some litter from them. So that means, one moment, I will show you. So this is what I'm taking now for the litter. It's from sawing the wood or the trees, and yeah, I got it for free, so I don't need to pay anything for it. That means I can use my money for something else. Yay! Yeah, the man I asked, he told me even his mom has quails too, so he understood why I want to use it, and he said to me, it's very good for that. So I made a good decision, and yeah, today I want to continue with the Quails Voliere here because of doing for the little chicks the cages. So yeah, let's go into it. So these are the 2 bags I took from the man at the sawmill today. And yeah, I think I have to take another 2 minimum bags from him. But he said there's no problem, I can come whenever I want, whenever I have time. So yeah, I was very happy about his answer. I was also able to put the shape of the wood of the trees here so that I can make some hidings for the quails inside of the voliere, but this I will do later when I have done the cages for the little quails which are coming here now. I decided to do them only on this side here because otherwise the shit of the little quails or whatever are coming on top here are falling inside of the sand bath, and I don't think that it's good for them. So Felix and me, we worked already a lot here. We made here some bars and some boards on it so that we can make the net here. And this height here is for the quails, and on top we want to do the rabbits, so they have a bit more space on height. Yeah, this is how we are doing it right now. And under this baby quail cage I want to hang these shapes of the trees so that they don't fly up and break their neck. So next part will be doing here the net between these 2 boards, and yeah, that's our next part now. Yay, the first sand is here in the sand bath. Woo! So we is Felix and me. We started with the net here. This time it's a dark one with a little bit of PVC around, something like that. But yeah, today we finish with work. We continue another day. Just showing you, here are some boards on it too. Yeah. It was a lot of work today, so I'm a bit KO now and hungry too, so I have to make something to eat for the kids and me now, and I hope you like the video. Subscribe for it, give a big thumb up, and I hope you also continue with the notifications and click on the bell button for this. I wish you a good time and bye for now.